My name is Matthew Patience.
I'm Greg Karen. I'm the other half of MobiCartel. I'm the design half. Matt does a lot of the coding.
So we're here today to talk a lot about mobile, all the different platforms that are available, and what's possible with each platform.
$30 billion is going to be made on mobile in the next few years. It's a really intense industry. There's a lot of wars going on. There's a lot of hardware, a lot of software. The guy in the middle, the one we developed for Android. Who's heard of Android? Everybody, pretty much. Great. Like I said, 886% year over year. It's a crazy space right now. A lot of guys that develop desktop apps, Mac apps. As soon as application development came in iPhone, everybody jumped on. It's fairly easy. The bar's not that high. It's the coding that we do on the web, more HTML, a lot of stuff Mark was showing, the CSS and all that. That's one set of coding. There's another whole world of specific software coding, more Objective-C and C++. You've heard of how they build games and stuff or online and for software. Symbian's really, they're in the smartphone game, they've, the last few years, but they really started off as the feature phones. There's a difference between those little flip Motorola Crazer little feature phones that don't have touch screens that are more dumb phones, then now there's next generation are the smartphones. So this is their play into this area.
So, and another good thing, while we're talking about BlackBerry 6, is that it will be going open source pretty soon, which is a very cool feature. We just talked about, some being closed source like iPhone. BlackBerry used to be the same way. Now they're going to be going open source. Obviously, this is the place to be right now. There's so many devices coming out, and so obviously this is probably somewhere to put your focus on development. Okay, so Windows Phone 7, very new, just released this month actually. So one of the things you'll notice is that the UI is very refreshing. So basically what I mean by it is it's all typography based, so basically it's a lot of text. It's all very clean cut. You can see from all the squares on the front home screen, everything's accessible from there, your nice little dashboard. You'll notice that a lot of its features are going to mimic some of their products that they already have, like Zune, which is their media player. Their Xbox, Live Service, Internet Explorer, all those products are basically just all inside there, tried and tested products that work really well. Why not put them in there, right? So it's really nicely put together.
The mobile aspect of the web is really expanding. So learning, like you said, on desktop and learning HTML and different web development technologies, you can take that knowledge and push it to mobile so that, depending on what platform you want to develop for, a lot of those functionalities, it's like Matt said, you're mobile. So you have your phone on you, you have contact, you have location-based things. So to be able to push and advance their applications that they build on desktop, if they're building software, if they're building websites, to port those all over to mobile. Everyone knows mobile is exploding, so I think it'd be smart to learn those desktop environments, but as well look into mobile like we have.
Perfect, guys. That was awesome.
Okay, cool.
Great, you're off the hook.